Hey guys, welcome to another Microloc installation update. I am here to give you a quick update on my progress of my Microloc installation. Hey guys, so this is another Microloc installation update. I am coming to you on, I don't even know what day it is in my Microloc installation, y'all. I think the last video update I made, I think it was day 3 or 4 of installation. This might be day 5 of installation. Since the last update video, y'all, I have not installed any Microlocs until today. Today is Sunday, so we're talking about 1 week since I started my Microloc installation. It started today's June 16th, so 1 week ago was June 9th. I started June 9th, and I think that was the first day. June 10th, I believe, was the second day, and then I don't think I installed any on Tuesday, but I think I installed on Wednesday, which was day 3, I want to say. And then I probably installed on the Thursday or the Friday, whatever that was. Honestly, it's all screwed up. I don't remember the days. So just know this might be part 5, because my lock installation has not been consistent. I have not been installing my locks consistently every day. I think this lock installation is coming after maybe 2 days of not having installed anything, and that's because, as I mentioned in my last update video, I have a lot of stuff going on. Life gets in the way. I try to get stuff going for work, and just doing stuff around the house, running errands, all that stuff. So again, by the time I get to do my hair, late evening, and sometimes not at all. It's like, I don't know, I didn't think that it was going to take me that long for my Microloc installation. The problem is not really being motivated, because I know I want to do this. The problem is just trying to make and find time out of everything else that's happening in the day, to actually install this. Now, I don't remember it taking me, honestly, the last time I did my locks in 2013. I honestly don't remember how long it took me to do my lock installation, but I don't remember it taking me a whole week or more. I really don't. But it is what it is. I'm not going to stress about it. I'm just here to bring you an update. I think the last time I was here with an update, I think I had finished this side of my hair, and so today I did the first half of the front, and then I am working my way on the second half. As you can see, I have about 4 more rows here to finish in the front. I don't know that I'm gonna get to finish those tonight, because I think I only did like 2 rows, because I think that top section was parted in 6 rows, and I have 4 rows left. I think that's probably gonna be all for today. So I'm really hoping that over the next couple days my installation picks up. I don't know, tomorrow I do have to go into the office because I have an early morning appointment, client meeting. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not having any installation done tomorrow, which is June 17th. But so far, I mean, it's coming up pretty well. You can see that my hair is pretty much, taking on shape and form. They're coiling. They have a little bit of curl to them. The ends are curly, as you can see here. So it's taking a little bit of form. This side had about 49 locks installed. Okay. And then this side right here, I have not counted how many I have installed here. So I don't know how much locks, what the lock count is right now, but yeah, this is what it is. I still have the entire back to do, so I don't know. I'm hoping that I'm gonna be done installing my hair this week, at least by Friday. So that would have put me almost at 2 weeks on and off installation. But again, this is just probably day 5, part 5 in lock installation, and as you can see, I am almost done with the front of my hair. And I'm liking the size. I mean, it's a bit smaller than when I installed my Microlocs the first time around. I believe it's probably smaller, or maybe it might be the same size, because I mean, after I installed my first set of blocks, I did go ahead to combine quite a few of them. But I did think of starting small, because again, if I eventually want to you know, combine, it's easier to do that seeing that they're smaller. Let's see, what else can I tell y'all? What I've noticed so far in my lock installation on that side versus this side, the left side of my hair seemed to have been a lot more dense and thicker than the right side of the front right side of my head. This side seems a little bit more fine, a little bit thinner and more sparse, honestly, than this side. And I honestly don't know why that is. I mean, I know this side of my hair, I think, you know, the edges need a little bit of work. So I need to do some oil and stuff treatment there. But I do know that this side felt a lot thicker and dense when I was doing my microlock installation on the left front side of my head versus the right front side of my head. But that's the difference I've seen so far. But otherwise, I am loving the journey so far of installation. It's just taking me time. Again, the problem is not being motivated. The problem is just making time to really sit and get a lot of my hair done at once. That's just my problem at this point. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these updates. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I'm looking forward to reading your comments, and I am gonna keep the updates coming, and I will keep doing this installation. And pray for me, y'all, that these are done in a week. Fingers crossed that they're done in another week. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe below. Actually, give it a thumbs up too. Subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, so you're always notified when I upload my next video. All right guys, see you in the next one. Bye.